Um, when I look back, there are lots and lots that you learn throughout your professional life. And I think I used to talk like this and think like this. One of the best things about YLC is that it's a dose of idealism. And we need this sabbatical from time to time because we get jaded. And I love coming back to this forum and seeing the energy in you guys. But in the last 3 years of my professional life, and I was previously at Ogilvy and Mehta as the Vice President of PR, I was sent on a secondment in Hong Kong, Singapore, and things were very different. You know, the people would work very differently, the environments would be very different, and every professional would have a say in a certain decision making. Then you'd have your domains and say, okay, this is your area, you're the expert in it, you advise what needs to be done. I come back, and now unfortunately, like all the people who are in the fields of communication, be it media, be it advertising, I run my own brand PR company. I call it a business of managing egos. That's what I do for a living.
Wow.
There's no communication that happens. All I do is, okay, I have to see that we have these fragile egos that need to be dealt with gloves on, and that's what we do, because the brand that we're now trying to service has a brand team, has the advertising agency, the activation agency, a number of people who are all custodians. So you're like the person who's trying to take care of someone else's baby, and they don't like that. So there's hardly any communication that happens. All you need to do is look at them and manage what they want done. And that's the best piece of advice I can give you. I mean, yes, sometimes in all the books people would tell you, be true to yourself and say what you really want to, express your heart out. But when you actually enter the corporate field and the professional world, mind you, don't speak your heart out. And the whole thing. Honestly, we're a generation that we were kids when they used to have Ally McBeal, but I can so relate with that woman. You know, when she used to become a monster and she wants to punch someone in the face. And being an entrepreneur, I think people can agree with that. It's not easy running your own business in Pakistan. From bijli to pani to security, you take care of everything. And at the end of it, you thought that you're in an arrangement where you'll be your own boss, or aapke set mein gana baj raha hota hai, Malcolm in the Middle ki tarah, you're not the boss of me, but guess what? All your clients are your bosses. So just look out for that, and if not, depending on your orientation, it could be you're not the boss of me, or the recent hit, Bhag Bhagi ke boss, jo bhi aapke zehn mein baje, bas usko follow kare. Thank you.
There's a necessary dose of common sense.